Us Indian women are obsessed with skincare and beauty, but this obsession isn't new. Our mothers and grandmothers know it all when it comes to beauty. These beauty hacks have been passed down from generation to generation in India. These remedies might be old, but they are still effective, pocket friendly, and organic. What else could we ask for? They say old is gold. What's more old than the use of henna as hair dye in our country? Sure, synthetic hair dyes offer a large range of colors, but they leave your hair brittle and weak compared to use of henna. When henna is used in its natural form, it can make your hair thicker, stronger, and conditioned, while tinting your hair in a rich red hue. Just add a couple of drops of coconut milk with henna to form a thick paste. Apply it evenly like a hair mask. Wait for 20 minutes and rinse off. We recommend testing henna on a strand of hair before going forward and coloring your entire head, as henna's colors differ. Coconut oil is considered as the holy grail of skincare and hair care, especially in the south of India. Coconut oil can be used in multiple ways as a hair mask or a body moisturizer. The list can go on and on. Coconut oil is also super comedogenic, and most of us make the mistake of putting it on our faces. Massage coconut oil on your scalp and body 30 minutes before shower to have moisturized and nourished skin and hair. Indian Ayurvedic texts show that we use this plant from as far back as 5000 BC. Neem leaves are widely used in various treatments because of its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. These leaves are ideal for reducing acne and dandruff. To use it to treat acne, grind a few leaves into a paste and apply it to the affected area. Wait till dry and rinse off. To treat dandruff with neem, boil the leaves in water and wait for the water to turn green. Next, wash your hair like you usually would and then rinse your hair with neem water as the last step. This homemade lip and cheek tint beats any store-bought tint, pun intended. Beetroot lends your lips a gorgeous pink tint and at the same time clears lip pigmentation. This is all natural, chemical-free and inexpensive and is super easy to make. Simply grate beetroot and squeeze all of its juice into a container. Then add a tablespoon of almond oil into it. Mix it well and there you have it, the best tint that is suitable for all skin colors. You can also store it in the fridge to make it last longer. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a superfruit in Ayurveda that has twice the amount of antioxidant compared to acai berry. Amla is a proven tonic for hair. It slows down graying, prevents dandruff, and strengthens hair follicles, and increases blood circulation to the scalp, thus improving hair growth. To make your own oil, cut amla into small pieces and add it to a container with your favorite oil. Leave it on low flames until the amla softens and its color changes. Apply this twice a week to avoid graying. These amazing age-old hacks should continue to be passed down through generations. We hope you opt for these budget-friendly, accessible, and chemical-free hacks that our grandma would approve of. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.